Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload a photo on Instagram. So if you're having trouble accessing your gallery or uploading pictures on Instagram, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're on the home page. Now, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Once you're on your profile, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Now, scroll down until you find the Your App and Media section, then tap Device Permissions. Next, scroll down to Photos and Videos. If photo access not allowed, tap on it. At the bottom of the screen, tap Update Device Settings, then select Open Device Settings. This will take you to your phone's Settings app. Tap Permissions. Under the Not Allowed section, find Photos and Videos and tap on it. Then select Allow to give Instagram permission to access your photos and videos. Once you've done that, go back to the Instagram app, tap the back arrow in the top left corner, then tap it once more to return to your profile. Now tap the plus icon at the top of your profile and select Post. Your photo gallery should now appear. Simply choose the photo you want to upload, tap Next, make any edits or add filters if you want, then tap Next again. Add a caption, tag people, or choose a location if you'd like, then tap Share to upload your photo to Instagram. And that's it. Your photo will be uploaded to your Instagram profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Instagram tips.